So we're here in Eureka Park at CES 2020 in Las Vegas, and this is where all the kind of new startup companies show off their new products and technologies. We're here with Tobias at BlackBeast Pro. What's your new product and what's it all about?
Well, the BlackBeast Pro is an all-in-one docking station that gives a laptop a desktop performance. It's housing a graphic card inside, you have SSD, and you have the ports and charging your laptop all on the same time.
And how much difference does it make to a laptop?
Day and night. The laptops today, they're really thin, so they're underpowered and get really hot. And with BlackBeast Pro, you can hook up with a graphic card from a PC, so you'll get tremendous better performance.
And is it aimed at gamers, or is it aimed at people in the, what sort of people are using this?
The people who need extra boost, like 3D renders or video editors and gamers, they will get a really great performance boost.
And what sort of retail price is this product going for?
$279 on Kickstarter. We just launched it yesterday and we got funded in 1 hour.
Fantastic, that's brilliant. And some of the other things it does as well, it's got lots of different ports, so you can additionally connect things, hasn't it?
Yeah, it goes 10 gigabit Ethernet, it goes additional Thunderbolt 3 ports, let you data chain, a 5K monitor, and also got USB-A and an SD card reader.
And were you yourself a gamer? What made you want to come up with this?
Well, I do a lot of stuff. Mostly I do 3D renderings and video editings. I also game on my laptop, but on the laptop it's not possible. But when I use the BlackBeast Pro, I go from 2 to 3 frames per second up to 60, 120 frames per second.